In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Microsoft Access database on a network, splitting Access database. If you're working with a single Access file and multiple people need to use it at the same time, the most reliable approach is to split the database. Splitting separates your data from your interface so the tables live in a shared backend file, while forms, queries, and reports stay in a front-end file on each user's computer. Before you begin, it's a smart idea to make a backup of your database and ensure no one else has it open. Start by opening Microsoft Access on your computer, then open the original database file stored locally. Running this process from your own machine helps prevent permission or network hiccups during the split. Next, go to the Database Tools tab on the ribbon. In the Move Data group, click Access Database. This opens the Database Splitter wizard, which walks you through creating the backend and updating your current file to become the front end. In the wizard Choose Split Database, you'll be prompted to provide a name and choose a location for the backend file. Use a clear descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later. Most importantly, pick a shared network location that everyone who uses the database can reach. That folder should be stable, always available on your network, and grant read and write permissions to your users. To avoid sync conflicts and corruption risks, store the backend on a traditional network share rather than a consumer cloud sync folder. After selecting the shared location, click Split. Acces will create the backend database containing your tables and will convert your open file into the front end with linked tables. When the confirmation message appears, click OK. At this point, your data now lives in the shared file and your front end simply points to it. To finish, distribute the front end file to your users. Give each person their own copy on their local computer instead of having everyone open a single front end from the network. This improves performance and reduces file locking issues. If anyone's links don't point to the correct backend path, open the Linked Table Manager from the Database Tools tab, select the linked tables, and browse to the shared backend file to relink. That's it. You've split your Access database for safe sharing on a network. Keep the backend in a reliable shared folder, avoid moving or renaming it without relinking, and make regular backups to protect your data.